kaya nating iligtas ang sarili natin by our own works, then we could take credit for our own salvation. But God will not allow that kasi He will never share His glory with another lest we boast, sabi ng Ephesians chapter 2. Now, Pastor, saan nagpipit yung good works? May kita natin ang sagot sa Ephesians chapter 2 rin. Minsan, hindi natin to tinutuloy eh. 8 to 10 lang. No? Kinakat na natin, 8 to 9 lang. Kinakat na natin sa 9. Pero sa 10, for we are His workmanship created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand so that we would walk in them. And notice this, mga kapatid, we are not saved by good works, but we are saved for good works. God saved us so that we would walk in good works. And good works are not the cause of salvation. Good works are the necessary result of salvation. Hindi sila root, they are the fruit. Sa Philippians chapter 2, 12 to 13, we are to work out our salvation, sabi ni Pablo, because God is already at work within us. Yung Christian life is the outward expression of an inward transformation. Ang isang binagong puso produces a changed life. That is why God can judge according to deeds. Yung deeds natin reveal whether our hearts have been truly transformed. When God sees righteous works, alam niya that they come from a regenerated heart. When God sees only unrighteousness, alam niya that there has been no regeneration. And mga kapatid, hindi dinidiscuss dito ni Pablo how people become righteous. Mag-start siya mag-explain nun sa Romans chapter 3. Ang point na gustong ipakita dito ni Pablo is that righteousness always leaves evidence. At ang totoong mananampalataya is known by the pattern of his life. Hindi perfection, hindi by flawless obedience, but by direction.